All right, there's the scaffolding in that box in Gail's car. We went and got it today. That box weighs 127 pounds. So we're going to be opening up the box in the car, and she's going to hand me the stuff, and I'll stack it in here. Because there's no way me with one arm and Gail can pick that up and carry it in here. If the wind ever does stop. All right. Let's see what all we got here. 6-foot baker. All right, let's try to put this thing together. See if we got everything we need. All right, let's put the casters on. Does not look difficult at all. Safety pin goes through. Clips over there. Let's flip this around. Hold up. Okay. Let me get this one.
That's in there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we gotta put the platform thing in?
Yeah. Alright, now we put the platform thing on. We lock the legs down. That'll keep it from moving around on this. Yeah, that's a little better. This will go on like so. It's gonna go up on that ledge. There you go.
On what ledge?
Oh, the ledge. There you go. And then this pops up and goes over. That keeps it from sliding out. Yeah.
Okay, hop up there. Let me see how it works.
And then if you stack more up, this door would open up.
Okay.
Easier to get up there. So, let me see. I'm going to take the easy way up. I'm not going to climb up the outside. Alright. Take the easy way up. Yeah, that's up too high also.
Well, you want to have some leverage, so
Oh,
you don't
yeah.
go too far down.
Yeah. Heck yeah. This would be perfect. I still lowered some because the insulation is going to go up underneath here. But I'll be able to do 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, 3 of them at a time.
Yeah.
Without having to go up and down the ladder. Yeah. Yeah, that's going to make a big difference.
Well, that was the words of drive to Zanesville.
Yeah. Alright.
I don't know, put the picture of that, Alex.
Alright. That will make life a lot easier. There you go. Alright, there's our 6-foot baker scaffold. It locks down. Nice. Now these I go on here to lock these in place. I've got those. But yeah, this is going to make life a whole lot easier to climb up and down. I think so.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yes, and for painting.
I know, for painting,
Yeah.
there's a whole addition has to be done. They're not made for outside, but this will make going outside and doing the gutters and everything a lot easier. Yeah. Alright. So there it is, folks. It holds 1,250 pounds. So I can safely get on it. And you can buy outriggers for it, which will extend these wheels out further. It'll put them out to give it more stability. You can add more sections to it. And you can buy more rails, and it's designed to have a shelf down there. And this has rails underneath it to put those tubs where you use this for storage once it's in the barn. But yeah, I think that's just a Black Friday special. Had to take advantage of it. Anyway, that's it. Gail and I got it together. That was a long video, I know. But appreciate y'all watching. Remember, like, share, comment, do all those kind of things. We're out here. Yeah, it didn't take very long at all.